Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And now while coming to the present content of the video, here I am going to show you one very good opportunity guys. It is the Assistant Professor Vacancies notification. UGC NET and the PhD is not required for a few posts of the Assistant Professor here. No application fee, no written test. Okay, and whoever the selected candidates are there, they will be directly called for the interview, and the seventh pay scale will be provided to the selected candidates. That is, the minimum salary is 65,778. So before going into the details and all, if you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. And now while coming to the present content of the video, it is Madanapalli Institute of Technology and Science. It is a UGC autonomous college. Okay, so I will provide this link in the description box of this video, and here the jobs is there. So click on this one, then you will be directed to the career opportunities whatever this college is providing right now. So the special recruitment drive for the academic year 2020 to 21. And here the position is teaching assistant or assistant lab engineer, departments civil, CSE, ECE, EEE, mechanical, physics and chemistry. Qualification required is the MTech with first division in appropriate discipline from a reputed university, and the salary is the 21,600 to 25,600 per month. Candidates who are ready to join before 20th October 2020 only need to apply. And the candidates has to send their resume in advance to this mail ID. If you are having any queries regarding these opportunities or else regarding the number of vacancies and all these things, okay, you may call to this number. And now while coming to the teaching assistant or AAO, MBA and MCA, and the qualification and experience required is MSc, MBA, MCA with first division in appropriate discipline from a reputed university. Salary is at 21,600 per month, and the same thing, the candidates who are ready to join before 20 October 2020 only need to apply. And assistant professor for civil engineering, CSE, ECE, EEE and mechanical, the qualification required is MTech with first division in appropriate discipline. And coming to the experience, post MTech with minimum 10 years of experience must be there. And coming to the salary, as per the AICTE, 7th pay scale at a minimum of 65,778 per month. PhD holders will be given as a 2 additional increments, and here also the candidates who are ready to join before 20th October 2020 has to apply. Coming to the assistant professor for the MBA, MCA, English, Physics, Chemistry and Humanities. So for these departments, PhD in appropriate discipline from a reputed university with first division in UG and PG is required, and the 7th pay scale will be provided. The placement officer is also there, post graduation with first division from the reputed university, minimum 5 years of experience in the placements, and it is the salary. Senior placement officer is also there. And coming to the agriculture officer, okay, BSc or BTech in appropriate discipline, and the horticulture officer. So these vacancies are also there. So here the candidates who belongs to these departments and who are having the enough qualifications, then please send your resume to the provided mail ID. If you are having any queries regarding your qualifications, that means here physics and chemistry won't have the MTech. Okay, so for that one they require the MSc physics and MSc chemistry. So if you are having any types of doubts regarding the educational qualifications or experiences, then you may contact to these numbers guys. And it is a very urgent recruitment. Why? Because if you are selected, you have to join before 20th October 2020. Okay, so it is a very urgent recruitment. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues whoever very needy for the jobs in this pandemic situation. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues as early as possible guys. And for more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel, and after subscribing tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen guys. Hi guys, my name is Ashwini Kumar and welcome to my channel. This video is especially for the candidates UGC NET Electronic Science. So the people who are going to write the exam in this 5th November 2020, Here the Unacademy is providing the crash course that is titled as Crash Course on Electronic Science through Multiple Choice Questions. This course is going to start from October 1st onwards, and by this month end the course is going to be finished, and by the starting of the November month you will be ready with the class PDFs, and all the 10 units will be explained in brief. That means the important concepts, formulas, points, definitions, expressions, all these things we are going to discuss in this crash course, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the JRF in this 2020, guys. Okay, so apart from this one, the Unacademy is also providing the full course or else a complete course for the electronic science who are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months or the upcoming years. So here the different subscription plans are there. That is 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So out of all these months, if you want to take the crash course, then you may prefer this 1 month, or else if you are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months, you may take the 3 months, 6 months, 12 months or the 24 months. But if you are planning to take the subscription plans, then use my referral code, that is Ashwini K. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay. So apart from these plans here, before going to take all these things, first of all, refer to my Unacademy profile link. Okay, so in my profile link, that I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So if you once enter into my profile link, then you may check down. That means here the special classes are available. Special classes are the free to everybody. Okay, so just click on the see all. Then whatever the special classes I took, that means the free classes I took, that all these classes you can access, guys. Okay, so career opportunity with UGC or non-UGC NET electronic science, and regarding the previous year questions, here the 2017, 2018 July and December 2018, and the June and December 2019, all these questions are discussed here, and these classes are completely free. Okay, so first check the way of explanation whether you are understanding here or not, and then you prefer the subscription plans, guys. Okay, so it is the update that I want to provide to the candidates belongs to the UGC NET electronic science. And for more updates, please subscribe the channel, and after subscribing tap the bell icon, and please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are going to give the exam for the UGC NET electronic science. Thank you, guys.